You said you wanted just one bottom. There it is. Bottom box. Let me get this screen out of the way. Boom. I don't blame you, dude. Right? What do you do? What do you do? Box number one. Do me a favor. Can you grab me another pack of
130s or what?
130s. 130 points. City Limits. Don Jordan. City Limits. Don Jordan. Dion Jordan. Kenny Vaccaro. New Orleans Saints rookie patch. Nice. Nice card. Looks nice. It's got a really nice blue to it. 15 of 25. These cards look cool, man. That's a nice card. I like the way they look. I really do. This and Playbook are my two favorite football products, I think. Nice. This is going to be a low number. Justin Hunter, Tennessee Titans. Justin Hunter, Tennessee Titans. On card.
Oh, it is. Yeah, and a patch.
On card and a patch.
Sick.
Nice card, man.
Wow.
13 of 25. Almost his jersey. Son of a bitch. Missed it by 2. 13 of 25. Yeah, sweet hit, man. Nice hit right there. I like that card. It's gorgeous looking. J.J. Watt and Alfred Morris. Watt and Morris. Not a lot. Little Morris. Not a lot with a little more us. All right. Box 2. Rookie Revolution. Oh, that's a sick card right there. I don't know what that is. Rookie Revolution. Landry Jones. Rookie card. Pittsburgh Steelers. 1 of 49. eBay 1-1. Landry Jones of the Pittsburgh Steelers. I'm not sure what this next card is. I mean, it looks like it's something different. It's not. Oh, no, maybe not. Yeah, it's definitely something. Marshawn Lynch, but it's red. I don't know if you can see the veining on that. So I'm going to assume that it's a low number, and it has no number. Huh. Interesting. Never seen one of those. It's got a red hue to it, man. Not really sure.
It's all the chromium designs.
Interesting. No number on it, though. Weird. Thought it was going to be some like trippy card, but oh well. Interesting. Still not sure. I'm going to put it in one of these. It's different. It's the same as these, but just if you notice the red, I've never seen the red there must be a red variation. So that's what that is, the red variation. This is sick right here, dude. Dion Jordan, great patch, rookie card. It's the blue.
Yeah, the one that you were looking at was the Spectra red, I think.
It's a Spectra red. 23 of 49 on this one. Great patch. Awesome looking patch.
That's nice.
Yeah, isn't it weird? I thought it was too, Shane. I really did. I was like, man, it's got to be numbered, but it's not. It's just a set variation. But it's a nice card. The autograph, Sierra Wood rookie card of the Houston or New England Patriots. Sierra Wood, New England Patriots rookie card. Does he play for the Patriots still? 207 of 299. 207 of 299. Sierra Wood. But I wouldn't let him. Oh, Bills. It says New England Patriots, but he's got a, that's weird. He's got a Texans, and it says Patriots. Is that like a misprint or some shit? I don't know. Anyway, Frank Gore and Andrew Luck. Gore and Luck. You're lucky you got a lot of Gore, Frank. They're on the same team now. Fancy that, right? Yeah. Gore and Luck. All right. Hey, Oni, how are you? Thanks for stopping in tonight, saying hello. Man, these plastic ones are a pain in the ass sometimes to open. There's a gold one, I think, down there. Anyway, I thought it was. Aaron Dobson. Aaron Dobson. Yep, Eric Reed, man. That's what you're hoping for, right? Eric Reed. 72 of 99. 72 of 99. And they make those so dark sometimes you can't even read the numbers on them, you know? Mm-hmm. It's like, whatever. I don't know what I'm doing with that. Sorry. All right, here we go. Larry Fitzgerald. Nice, man. Larry Fitz. Sweet card. Love Larry Fitzgerald. 44 of 99. 44 of 99 on Larry Fitzgerald. This is a nice one. Michael Rivera. Rookie card. Raiders tight end. Michael Rivera. Guess it helps if I give you the right number. 224 of 299. Julian Edelman for the Patriots. And Colin Kaepernick. The man who went from making $18 million a year to being benched to making nothing in about 6 weeks. What a life story. I went from making a lot of money to shit and washing cars. He still makes more than all of us, though. Just on interest, so I guess it really doesn't matter. Here's that funky card. Whatever these little things are. I'm not really that impressed with them. What's that girl who wasn't that impressed? Michaela? I'm not impressed like she isn't. Michaela. Zach Ertz. Zach Ertz. One of these little thingies. Zach Ertz. Here we go. We felt to Tom Brady. There it is. Tom Brady. Nice. The blue one, too. It's the blue version. 57 of 99. This one's numbered. The blue version is numbered, see? There it is. Nice card. Looks nice. Looks really nice. Oh, sorry. Had to fulfill my fantasy and sack Tom Brady. All right. Here we go. Russell Shepard. Russell Shepard. Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Rookie card. Number 2, 290, 296 of 299. 296 of 299. Oh, nice. There's another autograph in this one. So it was a double auto. Double autograph. Of course, it's a Buffalo Bill, right? Wouldn't be anything else now, would it? Buffalo Bill autograph. Marquise Goodwin. Buffalo Bills on-card auto. Marquise Goodwin. Number 5. 5 of 99. 5 of 99. Five of 99.
It's all the way you drew the auto. It looks like a butterfly.
Right?
Flower.
Yeah, just got little flowers and butterflies. And there you go. Adrian Peterson. And Steve Smith. Steve Smith Sr. 2 boxes. 1 dream. Huh. Interesting. This is kind of interesting. They give you a Prism rookie card. Nice though.
Oh,
C.O. Moore. Not really sure why. Prism rookie card of C.O. Moore. Okay. Prism's coming out in a couple days. I wonder if that's like a
nice preview.
A preview. Except it's not really.
Preview 14.
Colin Kaepernick, City Limits. Colin Kaepernick, City Limits, green. 3 of 5 on the Colin Kaepernick, huh? There's the case sit. 3 of 5. Colin Kaepernick. Car washer. Car washer. Should I even sleeve it? Or should I just throw it in the corner? Do you want it, DC, or is it worth anything? All right, here we go. This is nice. Combo Materials. EJ Manuel. And Geno Smith.
Dual patch.
Dual patch.
Crotch patch.
Nice card. 64 of 99.
Double DC.
You'd probably rather have it be Tyrod Taylor, but it's not.
Kind of like the DNA patch, yeah.
Here's the auto for the Oakland Raiders. It's an Oakland Raiders kind of auto, yeah, Nick Casa of the Oakland Raiders, blue edition, 38 of 99. 38 of 99.
I haven't seen a comment from DC in a while. I wonder if he left the room to go find his mojo.
He's here. He's here. Is it?
Some good hits.
Michael Floyd, Reggie Wayne. Michael Floyd, Reggie Wayne. And the last card. Last card. Last box, last pack. 5 cards per pack. We have that playbooks or the fire. Nobody else is coming in, huh? Shame. Let me say this. Here we go. Nice. The red. One of the red ones again. Jamal Charles. The red variant. Oh, it is. See that's weird, man. It's not numbered. That's not numbered right there. But this one is numbered. This one is numbered 5 of 25. 5 of 25. Jamal Charles.
Nice.
What was the one somebody was saying that you're looking for in this one? What was it? There we go. Montese Perfect. Oni, weren't you saying something about this guy just a minute ago? This is numbered 272 of 299. 272 of 299. I know you were saying something about this guy, Oni, just a minute ago. There he is. Eric Reed. Rookie autograph, San Francisco 49ers. Right? Blowing it up. That's the way we roll. 73 of 99. Eric Reed, San Francisco 49ers. You called it. I just came in here, saw the 2013 Spectra, was looking for Eric Reed. There it is. You were looking, we shall pull it. Eric Reed. That was it.
He's all, I do have 10 of those.
Huh?
He said he has 10 of those.
And then the Darren McFadden and Tony Romo are the two last cards. Darren McFadden, Tony Romo. D-Mac, Tony Romo. Yeah, it's a good one, man. Eric Reed's a good player. It's on my Niners. I like the Tom Brady. Wasn't quite the autograph one we were looking for. Still a nice card. That stuff's nice. I like it. I like it a lot.